Hey, welcome to the Brian Marshall Podcast. This is the aftermath of 4 feet of water in our house. Here's the mud bath. Say hello to Chris helping me clean it up.
How's it going?
So we'll keep you informed. Hopefully you don't get flooded in your lifetime. It's no fun. Come see us.